Hi, hello. My name is Josy. If you are new here, welcome. To my new subscribers, thank you for being part of my friends. And thanks to everybody, my OG. You guys know I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching my video. Today is Wednesday. So we're going to do the 100 envelope savings challenge that we are doing for low income. We are multiplying the numbers. And the one that is 0, we don't do it, but you can still do it and put any bonuses there. So that's how we are doing it. I hope everybody is doing very well. Yeah, we are in April and the days are going so fast. We are already in second week of April. They just blew my mind. But today our motivational message is feel good and pass it on. Yeah, that's so true. If you feel good, anybody around you will also feel good. You will pass it on to everybody. I always tell people I don't like stress life. I don't like negativity. Always I want to portray positivity. No matter how the day will go, I just want to be there. Then my presence will make the day feel better. It's good for me, for my health. So because of that, you hardly find me getting anxious, and I'm training myself every day not to get into that attitude, that negative attitude. I don't like that, and I don't want anybody around me feel that way as well. So feel good and pass it on. That's so true. So today, let's go ahead and count the money. Of course, I didn't bring my tray. Let me just grab it quick. So this is my tray. And the money we have here, let's see, 1, 2, that's $2. Then I have some $2 too. So 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that's $10. 15, 20, 30, 40. So today we are doing $40 going into our challenges. And for those of you who have been asking me, the other bundles that I've been using apart from this is the same 100 envelope savings challenge. I have it in my shop, and I have the one you can just buy like this with nothing. It comes with the 100 envelopes, these envelopes, and 25 of them, which is numbered 1 to 100. It comes with a tracker. It also comes with an empty tracker that you can track anyhow you want. Then I also add a pen to it and a cleanup. And I have various ways that I do the 100 envelope savings challenge. A lot of people have been DMing me, asking me questions. So I have it. If you want, I can customize it for you. So I have it like this as well, the same thing. The only difference is that it's being customized. Let me put this here so that you guys can see. So I customize simple plans. When you buy it and you want me to customize, I have two options, the one you put here and the one you put the top here. So you decide which one you want. I think it's just the difference between the one that is not customized and the one is, I think it's $5 different if I'm not mistaken. So this is how that one look like, and this one I'm doubling the amount. So that's me and my husband's challenge. That's how we're doing, because we want to get $10,000 here, 10,000 in my husband's. So that's another way you can do the 100 envelope savings challenge, which I've talked about it so many ways that you can do it. So instead of $1, we put in $2. So just like doubling the number. I also have the one for my kids, which that one has the customized on top here. This one I'm just putting each packet get $10. At the end of the total will be $1,000. I have 5 kids, so I will share for them. So that's that one as well. Then I have the one for my mom. For those of you who have been following me, you know I've been getting questions from new subscribers, so I just wanted to explain it in this video quick. So for this one, that's my mom's, is the same thing. He has his customized here, and this one I'm putting $25. At the end, if I fill all the envelopes, we're going to get 2,500 for my mom. So that's that one. Okay, so that's different ways you can do the challenge, but today we are doing the low income, which we are multiplying the numbers. I've been getting a lot of questions on my IG. Some people are DMing me, where can they get the 100 envelope saving? This is the one I have on my shop. So if you want to get it, nice, it's there. I have the link in the description below here. So today we're going to do 4 times 1, which is 4. So $4. I hope everybody is doing very well. For my last video that I did on Monday, I did a little prayer inside the video and a lot of people love it. That's good. Thank you. At times I kind of want to share that on this channel, but I feel like, oh my God, people are going to say, I'm not a Christian, but I know at times when you do some of this stuff, you're going to lose followers. I know about that. I know pretty well. But for some reason, God being so good, I'm getting a lot of subscribers. And thank God, I welcome everybody here. You are welcome. Join the family. I'm the type that I pray about everything. And I feel like praying about my finances has really helped me. So if you want to join, come in. Most times I'm going to introduce that in my videos, since a lot of you commented that you really appreciate that I did that. So thank you for commenting. 4 times 2 is 8. Then 4 times 3 is 12. Then 4 times 4 is 16. So the 16. That's it. And let's go ahead. So this is how it looks so far. We are already in 40s. Super excited. And the one that said like 4 times 0 is 0. So I don't put nothing here, but you can put money there. You can get extra. So we are already in 44, or we are going. On no time, you see that we will get down with all these. Super grateful that I'm doing this. So let's go ahead and shade it. Then I'll go ahead and fill the people. So that's how it look like so far. So when I'm done here, I'll put in the number here. Okay. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching me today. I really appreciate everybody. My big shout out goes to all my new subscribers. For my OG, you guys know I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye.